back to my channel. TD Gets Active. Today we are going to be doing some more repotting from a few of my new plants. We got my beautiful Pothos Njoy here. And the person I traded this from said this was oh, not a threat. I would have to handle that. Get out, get out, get out. We have my philodendron here that I got also from trading it. Someone said that it was a variegated Philodendron Brasil, which confused me because I didn't even know that was a thing, but I don't think it is. It just looks like your regular Philodendron Brasil, to be honest. I have a beautiful Philodendron silver sword. She's so pretty. So let's just get into repotting all of these babes. So to start off, I have just my regular soil here. So for these pothos and philodendrons, oh sorry, and plus my all green spider plants. Ooh! Yeah, it's been sitting in water for a while, so I just finally wanted to pot it. But yeah, so for the mix, I have a regular pro mix soil, 1 part of sphagnum moss, 1 part of, oh sorry, I lied, 2 parts of perlite, and I believe, oh yeah, half a part of lava rocks. And yeah, it's super airy. Water will not sit in here to the point where you would think it's sand. So we're gonna do the 2 homies in this pot first. I'm trying this new cricket manure, which is really high in nitrogen, which we love for foliage. So I'm gonna throw this guy in here after I put my little soil in here. I read the instructions and they said that it's basically supposed to just sit near where the roots are, so I guess the bottom. They said 2 tablespoons. Well, not 2, 4 teaspoons, which is around 2 tablespoons. And you just mix it in the bottom here. I'm potting 2 plants together. I'm gonna loosen up the soil and the roots a little bit more, sorry. Very loosely. When it breaks up, it breaks up. We have 1 right here. We got 2 right here, and then we got this guy. So these 3 homies are gonna hop right in here. Oop. My hands are dirty, so I can't really wipe the soil off these leaves. Just don't want it to get dirty. This one's kind of dirty, but so I was thinking maybe the green can come here in the middle, philodendron in the middle. Then these 2 guys like right here. I'm not gonna prop this philodendron up whatsoever. I'm gonna let these guys grow into a bush. I feel like this is cute. Yeah, this is really cute. Oh, this is definitely pretty. I'll scrub the pot like another day. Probably once I'm back from Montreal, because guess who's leaving from back to Montreal in 2 days? Me. But oop. Sorry guys, I'm just making sure I don't got no bugs in here and they're just all, it's just all soil. You have the philodendron being pretty here. We got one Njoy here and one Njoy there. So hopefully once this all fills up, I'll repot in another day. We have the silver sword, which I'm completely obsessed with. Look, there's even new growth here if y'all can see it. It's literally so pretty. We're gonna repot this today in this beautiful pot, which I think I also found at Walmart for cheap. $4 for this pot at Walmart. Oh, there's netting. Is that netting? Okay, I never thought Crazy Plant Guy would be the type to be into netting, to be honest. Oh wait, no it's not. What is this? Y'all, there's like it's coming off as I rip it. But I can't really tell what this is. I actually wonder what this is. I don't think it's netting, because I don't think netting would be this easy to rip off. Oh. Okay, well, I removed most of the netting, I believe, without damaging no roots, really. So she's like, so we're gonna repot her like this. I just took in the angle that I'm in right now, like this, like that whole area is giving. I hope there's no like random ghost apparition there. We just lost a leaf. Honestly, I removed this small leaf too, just so it can go in the soil. Clean off that beautiful. Okay, this is better. Soil. My pretty wobbly silver sword Philodendron. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so excited about this plant, y'all. Y'all have no idea. All right, so for this one, we have my spider plant that I also got off of Facebook. And yeah, I traded this guy, I believe. And it's been sitting in water for way too long, so I'm gonna go pour this out and we're gonna repot this guy. Okay, so I got him back. I'm just gonna get rid of this water. Table's hella messy with all the repotting we've been doing, but put it in here. We got a beautiful, beautiful like set of roots. Like these roots are literally perfect, like perfect. And we're gonna repot this guy in here. This basic spot that my staghorn ferns used to be in. Oh yeah, for this one, there's not a lot of, like I had a little bit of soil left, so I just added sphagnum moss, with a lot of perlite, so it's really light. I'm not really sure if this matters because it's in a non-drainage pot. And I'm kind of moving kind of brave, repotting all these plants in non-drainage, but hey. Ooh, perfect. Don't really wanna. This could also, honestly, this is right under my grow light, so I feel like this is also why there's yellowing leaves, but I also do feel like it's been sitting in water for so long. I think these are all the ugly leaves. So I'm just gonna sit it right here. We're gonna stuff it all up. I might use a spoon for this. Y'all, I'm mad late, but I just started watching season 2 of Top Boy. Finally started it. I heard the last episodes are crazy. It's madness. I literally just watched episode 1, so the first episode, for like during dinner, while eating my dinner. You know, that guy's fresh out of jail. I remember all of that when that whole camera situation, da da dee da da da. Oh, these silly yellies are still gonna stay for now. I'll chop them off later. But ta-da! Ah, it looks so cute in the white one. I love it. So these were the only plants I had to repot for right now. I feel like I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I have so many I guess plant chores or plant activities before I leave for Montreal in 2 days. So I'll be recording back to back. So like I said, that's why I'm staying faceless. But also, if y'all see me with the same nails, that's why I recorded all these videos within 2 days. So I can just keep posting, keep that consistency going while I'm in Montreal. You feel me? So thank you again for watching. I will see you guys again either in the next video or the next clip. Bye.